What's up, guys? So a few days ago I posted over here a video about my roadside rescue box that's in a Milwaukee PACKOUT kit that I keep in the back of my Toyota 4Runner. Got some questions here and on Instagram asking how I have it mounted in the truck. So it's just on a PACKOUT plate. There's actually another one right here. Those are just bolted through a sheet of 1/2-inch ply attached to some T-nuts that are on the bottom side. Now, the ply is actually the top of a box that I built, 2 drawers and a little cubby hole. Cubby hole just for ratchets and bungee straps. It spans over the top of the wheel wells. The drawers are on 100-pound slides, so they go in and out really well. And then it's attached to the vehicle. Back there, that bolt right in the middle is attached to the factory D-ring part behind the back seat. So I took out the piece of plastic and bolted the plywood straight down.